How to create a page on Facebook on iPhone. First is by opening your Facebook app and then go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in menu, scroll down and go to page right here and click on create found on the upper left of the screen. Click on get started and make sure to change the page name or create a page name. So you may um, make whatever you want and click on next right here. So make sure that you don't have a repeated name of your page. Click on next and then you may search for the category of your page. So I just choose whichever is available and click on create right here. Wait for it to load and then once it is done loading, you may add your bio, your contact informations such as website, email, phone number, as well as your location. And then your locations are right here. Click on next once you are done. And then you may add or customize your page by adding a profile picture and a cover photo. And then you may also edit the action button whichever you want. So click on next once you're done, and then you may add your WhatsApp to your phone or to your page, I mean, and click on skip if you don't have any WhatsApp. So click on skip. You may invite your friends by clicking on invite friends and then click on next. And then you may also turn on the notifications on your profile and the marketing and promotional emails about your page. So once you have done that, you may click on done, and then there you have it. You have now created a page on Facebook on your iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.